Welcome to the G-Series Atmosphere Nebulization Unit cleaning video. This video will explain how to clean the nebulizer unit located on the back of the case. Take the rear doors off the system housing and set them aside. Unscrew the top 3 screws that hold the housing in place. Then, lift the housing unit up and off to remove it. Set the housing cover aside so the system is fully exposed. Shut off the power to the system with the main switch, which is shown here. This shows the location of the water shutoff valve. Turn the shutoff valve to the off position, which is perpendicular to the water line. Once the shutoff valve is turned off, disconnect the water line to the nebulization unit. Now, firmly grasp the PVC tubing and disconnect it from the nebulization unit and the flexible tube. After the PVC pipe has been removed, locate the power supply line to the nebulizer unit and unplug it. Next, unplug the controller by unscrewing the cable. This is the thin, dark wire. Next, we will disconnect the nebulizer unit from the back of the case by unscrewing the top screws. Make sure you support the system while unscrewing it. Once the screws have been removed, lay the nebulizer unit on the floor, face down. This position exposes the water drain hoses that are connected to the unit. Disconnect the 2 rubber drain hoses. Once the nebulizer unit has been disconnected, the unit can be moved to a sink or table for cleaning. Using pliers, unscrew the cap screws from the top of the unit and lift the round metal tube to open the unit. Shown here is the top view of the nozzles and nuts inside the nebulizer unit. Remove the nuts and nozzle cover to expose the nozzles. Then lift out the 2 nozzles. This photo shows the parts that need to be soaked, cleaned, and thoroughly rinsed. Using warm water, detergent, and a scrub brush, clean the inside compartment of the nebulizer unit and the outside of the end fan. After rinsing the nebulizer, you will want to wipe down the outside and clean the front fan with a brush to remove accumulated dust and debris. Dry with a soft cloth. After washing and wiping down the unit, you should turn it upside down and allow it to dry. Once it is completely dry, reassemble the nozzles, the nozzle cover, and the metal PVC connector piece. Reconnect the 2 rubber drain hoses. Reattach the nebulizer to the back of the case. Reconnect the electrical supply cords. Now, reconnect the flexible tube, then the PVC pipe. Reconnect and turn the water valve back to the open position. Check the silicone drain hoses, make sure they are not crimped and are routed to the floor drain. Next, put the housing unit back on the case by reattaching the 3 screws. Turn the power switch back on. Slide the acrylic door covers back into position. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our entire video series on atmosphere cleaning and maintenance procedures. For further information on structural concepts, please visit our website.